Hey there digital friends, and welcome back to a new video. In this video you're going to see the review of the TCL S6500 40-inch Full HD TV. The main point is that this TV comes with 3 years of warranty under 20,000. So let's get started. Before starting this review, if you want to check out what else do we get with the TV, I did a separate unboxing video of this TV and I will post a link in the description below. I am using this TV from the past 6 months and I waited to make a review until the Android 9 update comes out. This TV has a inbuilt Google Assistant support which we can access from the button on the remote. This Google Voice works every time without any issues. It recognizes the voice through the microphone present in the remote. As it has a Full HD display, we can't play 4K videos in it, but the display panel is HDR10, hence the color reproduction is very good. The colors are vibrant and rich in detail. We can play videos in YouTube up to 1080 resolution without any issues. We can stream Full HD videos in Netflix and we can easily access it by pressing the Netflix button in the remote. With the Android Pie update, the TV got the Prime Video support. I tested this Amazon Prime Video app and it works without any issues. And next we have the TCL app, and in this app we can watch some movies and series. Only some of the movies are free, and if you want to watch other movies we need to get the subscription of other apps like GTV, Arrows, etc. To check out the install apps on your TV, press the button to the right side of the Netflix and you can see all the install apps in your TV. You can download more apps from the Play Store. You can also download games from the Play Store, but to play the high-end games we need the joystick. If you want to play some small games, we can play using it with a remote. We can also play movies or videos from the pen drive by going into the media player and choosing our pen drive. We can play Full HD videos without any issues, and we can also play videos which have Dolby sound. I am using a Dolby supported Bluetooth speaker to get that Dolby audio effects. To check out the inputs connected, just click on the input icon and you can see what you have connected to your HDMIs or media player, etc. This TV also supports the Disney Plus Hotstar and we can watch or stream videos without any issues. It also comes with a TCL TV Guard app. In this app we can clean the cache and delete the unwanted applications in your TV easily. We can also install the apps from the USB. Click on Deep Clean to clear the junk in your TV. It also contains an inbuilt file manager to check what do we have in this storage. Now let me show you the options available in the settings. As usual, we have Wi-Fi, but it is limited to 2.4 GHz only. We have app management and Bluetooth settings. We also had an option to turn on the TV instantly without using a remote. We have input management and we can also control HDMI devices using this TV. Coming to the Android version, this TV was launched with Android Oreo and recently they released the Android 9 Pie update. With the Android 9 Pie update, they have added a bunch of features including the Amazon Prime Video. As we can see, it has the Chromecast support and we can enable or disable the location, and even we can select the screensaver also. We can cast our mobile screen into this TV as it has an inbuilt Chromecast support. If you leave your TV for a few minutes, it enters into the screensaver mode to save the screen. We can connect speakers, joystick using the Bluetooth available in this TV. Let me show you by pairing a Bluetooth speaker available. This is how we can connect any Bluetooth speaker instantly. So let us see the final verdict. Overall, this is a nice TV at 20,000 rupees, and company is also providing 3 years warranty that makes the product value for money, because the competitors at this price range are giving just 1 year warranty. Everything is working fine in this TV. There are no connectivity issues, no Wi-Fi dropping, and you can also use a Bluetooth headset with your TV. There are 4K TVs at a price range of 25,000 rupees, but there is not a lot of 4K content available to consume. And to stream these 4K videos, we need to have a high-speed internet. So I think this TV at the price of 20,000 rupees, having a full HD panel will make more sense than spending an extra 5,000 for something which is not yet available. That's all for this video guys, and hope to see you in my next video.